Nah, this is crazy. What? You tripping. That's hard. Nah, that's hard. Thank you, Kimberly. I love it. Don't stop overthinking. That's hard. I fucks with that. That's too tough. Give him Kimberly VIP. I don't know where Kimberly at. Yeah, I appreciate all gifts. I appreciate all gifts, but I will say this. The art ones are the ones that's like really touching my heart, and I'm like appreciating on a whole different level because I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got so many clothes in my closet, I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear all this shit. Y'all keep sending them though. I ain't saying don't stop sending them, but like the art gifts, I love that shit.